All right, this is going to be Take Me Home, Country Roads by John Denver. We're going to start out with the G chord. So it's like a strum, strum, down, up, down, up. That's a basic thing. You can kind of hit some lower strings first here and there, but basically it's like a down, 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 up, down, up. Let's try that. 2, 3, 4. So our intro here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the verse starts 3, 4, E minor, D, and then we're gonna have 2 beats of C, 1, 2, and then G for 4, 2, 3, 4. So that's how the verse gets going each time. So we had 2 bars of G, so we had 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the second measure there, and then we got our verse, G, 2, 3, going to E minor, D, and then 2 beats of C, 1, 2, 4 beats of G, 3 and 4. Second part of the verse, G, 3, going to E minor, going to D. This time we have 2 C's and 2 beats of G, so 2 beats of each, and then we're right into the chorus. So the last half of that verse would be like G, E minor, D, and then C, G. Just 2 beats each there. And then we got Country Roads. Chorus is G to D, E minor, C, G, D, C, back to G. Okay, so we'll have the next verse, and once again that's going to be G, E minor, D. Each one has a measure, and then we're going to have 2 beats of this and 4 beats of the G. That's our first half of the verse. So here we go. 2, 3, 2, 3, E minor, D, 2 on C, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Second half of the verse, E minor, D, C for 2, G for 2. 1, 2, Country Roads, chorus, G, D, E minor, C, G, D, C, G. Okay, now we have a bridge. We're going to have E minor for 2, D for 2, and then G for 4. So let's check that out. 2, 3, and 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we'll have C and G for 2, and then D for 4. So let's go from C, 3, and 4, and C, 2, G, and then D for 4. Now E minor for 2, F for 2, C for 2, and G for 2. And then we got D for 4, D7 for 4. Okay, so the bridge again is E minor 2 and D2 and then G for 4. And then it's C to G, 2 each, to the D for 4. And then E minor F, C to G, all those are 2. Then you got full bar of D, full bar of D7. I'll walk you through it again. So E minor to D, 2 each, and then G, 3 and 4 and 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now C to G, 2 each, D for 4. Then E minor to F, 2 each, C to G, 2 each, full bar on D, full bar on D7, and then we're into the chorus again. G to D, E minor, C, G, D, C, G. Now we're going to repeat that chorus. So G again, D, E minor, C, G, D, and C to G. Now at the end here, we're going to have a D, back to G, one more time, D, and G. Okay, so it just kind of ends, has a double chorus, and then it has D to G, D to G, and you kind of strum a bar that G and then hit one on the next bar and let it ring out. Okay, so let's look at the verse a little bit again. So we did have an intro that was like, oh, one thing you could do on the intro, you could go. If you just want to get some kind of a country thing going there, that's kind of like what they're doing. It's like a G bass and then a down up on the top of the chord there, and then alternate the bass back to that little chord. So G to the D to the G to the D. And the count on that would be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're into the verse. This had the 2 C's, 4 G's, 2, 3, 4. Second half, E minor, D, and then we got C to G, 2 each, 1, 2, country roads. There's your chorus. So the chorus is easy enough. Let's look at the bridge one more time. So we had E minor to D, that was 2 each, and then we had a bar of G. 3 and 4 and G. Then we got C to G, 2 each, full bar of D. Then we got E minor to F, C to G, and then we got a whole bar of D, whole bar of D7. Let's do one more chorus. G to D, E minor, C, G, D, and C, back to G. Let's say that was the last chorus, then we got that D again, back to G. One more time, D to G. 1, 2, 3. All right, Take Me Home, Country Roads by John Denver. Hope you dug that. Thanks for watching Damon's Baritone Uke Joint. We'll check you out soon.